This is room 6321 at Beaches Resorts in the Key West Village, the One Bedroom Concierge Room. To get in, simply use your key card to open. When you first come in, there is the heating and cooling so that you can set the temperature that you would like for your room, as well as a full kitchen, which includes a sink. They will stock it with the beverages that you ask for, and also have both a coffee maker that easily opens, as well as a hot water maker if you would prefer to have tea. There is a pantry that probably you're not going to need, as well as a microwave to reheat any leftovers that you might have, and of course the stove and oven. Again, we have never used these because Beaches has 21 restaurants in Turks and Caicos. Pretty sure we can find enough to eat. Inside, there is a freezer. Again, we never use it because we don't need to, but it does have the full-size refrigerator and freezer. And then the refrigerator, again, is stocked. Usually they have one red and one white. We happen to be white wine drinkers, so it's 2 bottles of white wine. The sparkling wine is part of the alcohol as opposed to wine. And then they also stock it with juices and pop, and also bottles of water. If there's something particular that you would like more of, you can go ahead and request that. You can also ask for beer, but we are not beer drinkers. In the closet, there is a washer and dryer in this unit. Not every unit has them. There is laundry detergent, and that is something that you can ask housekeeping to provide for you. They already brought this in for us, even though we most likely are not going to use laundry, but that is an option. Then you come into the living room section that has a day bed. This is a trundle bed, so there is room for someone to sleep on top, and the bottom also slides out. So these are twin mattresses that are really quite comfortable. They will make them up each night for you. You tell them what time you would like to have them make them up, and they will come do that. There's also table and chairs, so that if you choose to play games or eat here, etc., there's plenty of room for that. We did ask for a dehumidifier, so that's why that is in our room, but that is not a standard piece of it. And then there's also another coffee table and chairs if you'd like to hang out, as well as a bureau so that anyone who's staying in this room has a place to put their clothing, etc. And of course, the full TV. Come into the master, or the primary bedroom, excuse me. There is a king-size bed, as well as outside to the balcony. There is again a bureau and a full-length mirror and a television and a chair in the primary bedroom. Also have a balcony. You either are on the first floor with a walkout, or you have a full-size balcony in this room type. On the balcony, there's plenty of room. It's very large, actually. There are 2 loungers if you want to sit out here, have your coffee while your kids are still sleeping, or just hang out, enjoy an evening cocktail or whatever the case may be. And then on the other side, you have another set of table and chairs, which again is a great place to hang out. And then you also have a drying rack, so you can hang your wet swimsuits, etc. on here in order to be able to get them to dry. That said, it is fairly humid in Turks and Caicos, so it may take a little bit longer to dry than what you expect. Be sure that you have enough swimsuits and other things that you need. You want to be clear that as you come in from the balcony, there is not only a door in the primary bedroom, there is also a door that easily opens in the living room. So again, you do not have to disturb anyone to see and enjoy this area. Our room faces the front of the resort. There are also rooms that you can see face the side, as well as facing the beach area. Inside through the primary bedroom, you also have your closet. In the closet, the concierge rooms include robes, 2 robes. Actually, it looks like we have 3 because we have 3 people staying with us. And there is a safe. You can see the size of the safe. This easily fits my laptop, as well as passports and other things. You set the code yourself each time you want to use it. Unlock and lock. It's very self-explanatory. There is also a luggage rack that you can use to hang up your items. They provide plenty of hangers, which makes things a little bit easy. And then each room usually has umbrellas. I do not see them in this closet, but they may be elsewhere. If they are not there, you can go ahead and ask them. These are the extra pillows and blankets and such that they use to make up the day bed each time. As we head into the bathroom, there is one bathroom here, but one of the things I really like is the fact that you have your getting ready area that is separate from the water closet. It makes it pretty easy. You do not have to enter the primary bedroom to go ahead and get yourself ready in the morning, whether that's to use the bathroom or simply get ready. There is a pocket door that is easy to utilize. So go ahead and close so that you do not need to wake anyone up and you're able to have privacy. Each bathroom, actually every room, comes with your necessities. There is a shampoo, conditioner, body cleanser, as well as lotion. We include makeup pads and soap. Also in the bathroom is a hair dryer. This is available in every room. It is not a huge hair dryer. It's your usual hotel style hair dryer, but it is there. So if you don't need to pack one, then that saves you the packing space for other things. And then you come into the actual water closet that has its own sink, which is kind of handy if you have someone who's getting ready in the other area. There are plenty of towels that they include. And then they have a pretty nice shower. I like the fact that it's very large. It's basically the size of an entire bathtub. Has a rain shower as well as a handheld wand. There are temperature controls, a place to go ahead and put some shampoo, conditioner, etc. This room type does not have the strings that people use to hang up their swimsuits, but again, outside there is plenty of space for you to use the drying rack. Note that there's not a door that goes around this, but with a type of shower, this glass half wall or 3/4 wall is just perfect. Two other things I will point out in the bathroom is that every room at Beaches Turks and Caicos uses American style plugs, so you do not need to bring any sort of adapter for this. In addition, every room also has the magnifying mirror so that you can see every hair that might be growing, every age spot and so forth. That makes it easier to get ready. And then as we come out back from the primary area into the room, you can see that there are two ways to exit that getting ready area, which is pretty handy if you have someone who's getting up before other people. You do not actually have to walk through the bathroom or through the primary bedroom to get there. That's something that I appreciate. Lastly, we have one more closet. This is where you have your ironing board and your iron. Again, there are more pillows. There is another luggage rack, and I'm gonna bet that there are umbrellas in this closet. I simply can't get to them right now because all of our stuff is in here. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Otherwise, enjoy your stay at Beaches Turks and Caicos in the Key West Village in the one bedroom concierge room.